This is the ugly truth about why good men are being cheated on. It's a topic that's often ignored and swept under the rug because societal norms have conditioned and desensitized us to separate men from their emotions. But it's an extremely important issue to unpack. So here's the top 6 reasons why women cheat on good men. Number 1, fear of commitment. Some women have a fear of commitment even if they're with a good man. This fear of commitment can stem from a variety of sources, including a lack of experience with long-term relationships, a desire to maintain their independence, or a fear of being vulnerable with a man. If she has witnessed failed relationships amongst her friends and family, she can then internalize the feeling that commitment is risky and not worth the effort. This can lead to a belief that relationships are bound to fail, which can lead to a reluctance to invest time and energy into something that she feels is doomed from the start. Despite being with a good man, women who have a fear of commitment tend to feel like that they're not ready to settle down because they're afraid of missing out on other life experiences. This fear of commitment can lead women to seek out other men, even if they're with a good man who treats them well. Number 2 is independence and autonomy. Some women cheat on good men as a way to assert their independence and autonomy. Women have been socialized to be caregivers and nurturers, and some may feel trapped and restricted in a relationship where they're expected to operate within the confines of their proverbial gender role. This is one of the reasons why I'm so against the push for gender equalism. You have women now wanting to be classified with the same traits and preferences as men. For these types of women, cheating may provide a sense of freedom and autonomy that they feel that they can't experience within the confines of committed relationships. Number 3 is boredom. Boredom is a powerful force that can lead some women to cheat on good men. Even if her man is good and loving, when relationships become routine and monotonous, the boredom can lead women to seek out excitement and thrill elsewhere. Even if a woman is in a good relationship with a good man, she may feel unfulfilled and unsatisfied in certain areas of her life. This can lead to the desire for excitement and stimulation, which she may seek out through cheating. Number 4 is emotional disconnection. Women need emotional connection to feel satisfied in a relationship. The emotional connection is fundamentally necessary for a woman to build a strong bond with a man. Even if a man is providing for his woman financially and physically, if he is not meeting her emotional needs, she will feel neglected and unfulfilled. This is why I tell men, do not make the mistake of thinking that you can buy a woman's loyalty. Sometimes even good men struggle to provide the emotional support and intimacy that women need because men and women have different love languages. When there's a lack of emotional connection, it can lead women to seek it out elsewhere. Women who feel emotionally neglected by their man seek out someone else who can provide the emotional support that they crave. Number 5 is lack of self-esteem. A woman with low self-esteem may cheat as a way to boost her ego or to feel desired by someone else. She may not feel worthy of the love and affection her man offers and may seek validation from other men as a result. Women with low self-esteem usually cheat on good men as a way to validate their own self-worth and value. They want to feel desired and valued by multiple men, and cheating gives them a temporary sense of validation and self-gratification. Women who struggle with self-esteem issues use cheating as a way to feel better about themselves, even if it's only temporary. Number 6 is unresolved issues. Women who have unresolved issues such as past trauma and abuse are more likely to cheat on good men. Letting those past issues go unresolved can lead to feelings of emotional distress and instability, which can lead women to seek out comfort in someone else. Women who have experienced trauma and emotional neglect typically struggle with trust and intimacy in future relationships. Women who have trauma from past relationships are more prone to cheat when something reminds them of or feels familiar and reminiscent of that past trauma, simply because it ignites the fight or flight response. At the end of the day, the issue of infidelity isn't a simple one. It's a complex and multifaceted topic that requires understanding and a genuine desire to create better, more fulfilling relationships. This is why I'm a huge advocate for therapy, because good people shouldn't have to suffer at the hands of broken ones. So until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.